Girls 2022. Today, we are going to continue our discussion on atoms and elements by looking at isotopes. To get us started, does anyone know what the scientist said when he found 2 isotopes of helium? Ha ha! If you will remember, we learned in atoms and elements videos that each element has its own unique atom, which is made up of a specific number of protons. The number of protons determines the atomic number of the element. Each atom also has the same number of protons as electrons. Now, isotopes are atoms that have the same number of protons and electrons, but they have a different number of neutrons. Changing the number of neutrons in an atom does not change the element. Atoms of different elements with different numbers of neutrons are called isotopes of that element. Since neutrons have no electrical charge, changing the number of neutrons does not affect the chemistry of the element. It does, however, change the mass of the element. Isotopes are identified by their mass, which is the total number of protons and neutrons. There are 2 ways that isotopes are generally written. They both use the mass of the atom, where the mass is equal to number of protons plus the number of neutrons. The first way is to put the mass as a superscript before the symbol of the element. The other way is to write out the element and write the mass after a dash next to the element's name, as in helium-4, carbon-14, uranium-238, and hydrogen. Hydrogen is the only element where isotopes are given specific names. Common hydrogen, which has 0 neutrons, is called protium. Hydrogen with 1 neutron is called deuterium, and hydrogen with 2 neutrons is called tritium. Now, all elements have a different number of isotopes. Hydrogen has the fewest number of isotopes with only 3. The number of elements with the most isotopes are cesium and xenon, with 36 known isotopes. Some isotopes are stable, while others are unstable. When an isotope is unstable, it will decay over time, and eventually it will turn into another isotope or element. Unstable isotopes are considered radioactive. Most elements that are found in nature are made up of stable isotopes. The element with the most stable isotopes is tin, which has 10 different stable isotopes. How about some fun facts about isotopes? Well, here it goes. Many elements only exist in an unstable or radioactive form. All non-natural or man-made elements are radioactive isotopes. Heavier isotopes tend to react more slowly than lighter isotopes of the same element. Deuterium, the hydrogen isotope with 1 neutron, can form water with oxygen. This is called heavy water, as deuterium has twice the mass of normal hydrogen, protium. There are 254 known stable isotopes and 80 elements which have at least 1 stable isotope. 26 elements have only 1 stable isotope. These elements are called monotopic. Well, that's all the time we have for today, but I will leave you with this question. Do particles with multiple helium isotopes have mass? Only the Catholic ones! See you next time on STEM for Girls 2022.